This is a dot matrix printer ink cartridge. It's got this little knob on it for some reason. And there's also this front thing that looks like it contains a little ribbon in it. So I'll take this apart and see what is inside, because I do not want any ink mess on this little table thing. I have a plastic container that will take this thing apart over. I'll get my screwdriver out, and I am pretty sure that there might be a big roll. There might be a big roll of felt inside this. Oh, the air conditioner turned on. So let's take this apart. Okay. Oh, that looks a little more interesting than I expected. How do you... Okay, so this is the inside of this. How do I increase the exposure on my camera? Oh no, I'm breaking the ribbon. Oh my goodness. There apparently is just a huge amount of this felt ribbon. And on the inside, there is spring, a piece of foam, some lever, and this little gear thing. And there's a closed off section. There's this closed off section. So let's see what's inside there. Oh, okay. So apparently this, come on camera, you can focus. So there's some foam right here. I don't know what that foam does. So this is basically what's inside a dot matrix printer ink cartridge. There's quite a lot of black ribbon and some other components. Oh, and I found something with ink residue. I found a gear with ink residue on it. So this is all that is inside of a dot matrix printer ink cartridge. I will take apart the dot matrix printer in a future video.